Let me show you how to make a quick pumpkin lamp out of a plastic pumpkin. I got this pumpkin at Lowe's. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the color and I wanted to make a lamp for my kitchen with it. So let me just share with you how easy and quick this is. We made it in less than an hour. So the pumpkin came from Lowe's. It was about $24. They don't have many in stock. You may be able to order this online, but any plastic pumpkin will do. So there's the information on ordering it. I picked up this lamp base at Walmart, very inexpensive, and then I found the shade there as well. So these are the three things that you're going to need for this project. And the first part, my husband sawed off the little pumpkin stem using his little hacksaw. All right, and then we're going to go and measure or draw around that lamp base because we want to cut a hole so that we can drop that lamp base down into the pumpkin. And make sure your pumpkin is not solid wood. It needs to be plastic, and most of these are hollow. Now, using his drill press and a 4 1/8 inch hole dozer bit, we very slowly and carefully use this to cut the hole in the top of the pumpkin. Now, I filmed some of it, but then I put the camera down so I could steady it for him. But we just took our time because we didn't want the pumpkin to split, and it worked great. It just took a few minutes of steadily adding that pressure down and sawing right through that plastic. So no problem with that. If you happen to know somebody or if you have one of these, you can certainly use that. There is the cap that has come off, and there is inside of the pumpkin. Now you've got to have a hole at the back, so we're using another drill bit to make a hole for the plug to come through. And this one did chip a little bit, but it's fine because it sits at the back and you don't see it. So very slowly and carefully you drill that hole for the plug of the lamp to come through. So those were the only two cuts you need to make. There's nothing else to it. There we go. There's that hole. Just slip your lamp in. If you wanted to hot glue that at the bottom to better secure it, you could. I didn't see the need in it. We just dropped it in and pulled the plug out of that back hole. Then I put on the new lampshade, and it just looks stunning. I absolutely love this. These pumpkins are at Lowe's. They're new this year, but you could certainly go to any store and get a plastic pumpkin to make your lamp with. And I love how it looks. It goes so well in my kitchen. My curtain above the sink has the same sage green in it, and that's kind of what I wanted. So I've been slowly decorating the kitchen for fall. And this is this side of the kitchen, and then I'll bring you around over to where my shelves are. Those of you that have been with me a long time know how much I love to decorate for fall. And this is a lot of my mom's things, her chicken collection, a lot of her antiques that she had in her dining room. And I just put everything out, and it always brings me closer to her. And I just love it. I think it's wonderful. And this will stay up until November. So some of it's thrift store finds, some of it's Dollar Tree finds, but the majority of it is from my mom's. And there are my soup cookbooks already, my peach jam, and there is my rope bowl for fall. And I just love my kitchen, and I've got my living room decorated. I'll share that in another video, but I was so excited about this lamp idea, and I wanted to get that out. But if you are into fall like I am, make sure to check out my Fall Joy playlist. I will link it in the description box below, where it has all these ideas for decorating for fall. And you don't want to miss this one because it's easy and it's beautiful. It looks so nice in my kitchen. Big thank you to the hubby for making that for me, for drilling that hole. There is my coffee nook. That thankful sign I made a couple of years ago. I have a video on that. But I'm just real happy that I have all of my fall stuff out before September. Don't forget to check out that Fall Joy playlist. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think if you have any questions. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a very blessed and safe day.